Hello everyone. I have two Valentine decor pieces to show you, and they're so super easy I fit them both into a 4-minute video. Video is part of a collaboration hosted by Heidi's Ensemble of Happily Thriving Heidi. It's brand new this month and it will be recurring every month. For January, the DIY challenge theme was Valentine, so I've got some great ones for you. This is just a piece of an old bed skirt, and nobody uses bed skirts anymore. I mean, we don't. So I'm ripping the lace off this, and I'm using it in a DIY. I'm going to make the easiest rag wreath ever. I took an old coat hanger, a wire hanger, bent it into the shape of a heart, and then bent the hook over as a way to hang it on the wall. Just takes a little manipulation to get it into the shape that you like. But once you get the fabric on it, it's going to camouflage some of the oddities. Now I'm going around with that lace trim and just hot gluing it. Just hot gluing it onto itself around that wire hanger. Once that was done, I went all the way around and cut sections about 1.5 to 2 inches wide. Then I got this old vintage piece of cloth. I love it. It would have been great for curtains, but it's been hanging around so long it's faded on itself, so it's part of a rag wreath now. I just cut it into strips and went into those spaces that I had notched with the scissors and tied a simple knot. And there you go. A great shabby chic look, and it was quick and easy. Next, I took some of this Dollar Tree Valentine scatter and the pink, then a couple of bunches of lavender from Walmart, and this is something that I used at Christmas with poinsettias in it. It's just a ball jar with some sheet music and snow and some ribbon around the top. And these are branches from my backyard. Didn't cost me a thing. Now I'm sorry I'm out of frame when I'm putting this together, but basically it's just arranging the lavender and the branches in the jar and gluing the hearts onto the branches. You'll see in just a moment. There we go. It turned out really nice. I love lavender and pink together. And there's a wide view of it. Super, super easy. It took me maybe 2 minutes to put it together. Thank you so much for watching today. Now go and watch the playlist and enjoy.